Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to download and install Notepad++ in your Windows laptop or PC. This tutorial is applicable for all Windows users, that is Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, Windows 11. So let's begin. First open Google, then search for Notepad++. Now open this link. I have provided the direct link to download Notepad++ in the description. You can download from there also. So click here. Now click here to download the latest version. Now click on this green download button. You can see the setup is downloading. After the downloading completed, double click on it and click on yes and click on OK. Yes, next. You can check this mark to create desktop shortcut of Notepad++. Then click on install. And see, the installation has been completed. Then click on finish. So this is how you can download and install Notepad++ in your Windows PC or laptop. Thank you. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel.